Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have a Walgreens haul for you guys today. These deals started today, which is Sunday, July 25th, and they are good up until Saturday, July 31st. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you would go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the deals. Okay, so I did do two transactions. In my first transaction, I grabbed two of these Bic Gelocity pens. So these are priced at Walgreens this week, two for $3. We do have a $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So you will pay $3, the $3 digital coupon will come off, and that makes these completely free. So here is my receipt for that. Super easy deal to do, guys. So as you can see, $3, the $3 digital coupon came off. The subtotal came out to be $0, and I only paid the taxes out of pocket, which was 18 cents. And I did use my PayPal debit card to pay for that. So this was a super easy transaction to do. I most definitely would have stocked up on these, but my store literally only had those two in stock. So that's all that I grabbed. And then in my second transaction, as you guys can see, I grabbed two Crest toothpaste, two Colgate toothpaste, two Colgate mouthwash, two Colgate toothbrushes, and then I have 3 packages of pull-ups back there. So in this transaction, I did use a digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20, and then I also used a paper booster, get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. So on this transaction, I used all digital coupons. I did have an issue with just one of my digital coupons not coming off, but that's okay because customer service did credit that amount back to my account. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the Crest toothpaste. So I have two of the Crest Pro Health Advanced toothpaste right here. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3. I purchased 2. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash. So 2 at $3 is going to bring your total to $6. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $6 minus that $3 digital coupon will bring your total down to just $3. And then you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash since you purchased 2. I did receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash, making these completely free plus a $1 money maker, which is a really great deal. And then next up, I went ahead and I just grabbed 2 of the Colgate Total toothpaste. And these are priced at Walgreens this week for $4 each. I purchased 2. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase 2 at $4, and that's going to bring your total to $8. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $8 minus that $4 digital coupon will bring your total down to $4. And because you purchased 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash, making those completely free. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed 2 of the Colgate 360 toothbrushes. This is the charcoal. And these are also priced at Walgreens this week for $4 each. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to go ahead and purchase 2 at $4, and that's going to bring your total to $8. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $8 minus that $4 digital coupon will bring your total down to $4. And when you buy 2, you will receive back that $4 in Walgreens cash rewards, making those 2 brushes completely free. And then I also purchased 2 of the Colgate Optic White mouthwash right there. Those are also priced at Walgreens for $4 each. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase 2 at $4. That's going to bring your total to $8. We also have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the mouthwash as well. So $8 minus that $4 digital coupon will bring your total down to just $4. And when you buy 2, you will receive that $4 in Walgreens cash, making both of these mouthwashes completely free. And then lastly, you guys, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 packages of pull-ups training pants. I grabbed 1 of the little boys, 3T to 4T, and then 2 of the little girls, 3T to 4T. Now, With the diapers, my goal was to grab the 18 counts of the pull-ups. My store was out. So I knew that since my store was out, it was going to throw off my transaction a little bit, but it's okay because this transaction still ended up being completely free plus a money maker. So I went ahead and I grabbed 3. They are priced at 2 for $18. I purchased 3 packs. They each run up at $9. So 9 times 3 is 27. We have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. And then we also have a 3 off of 1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So that's a total of $9 in digital coupons. So $27 minus the $9 in digital coupons will bring your total down to just $18. The deal is also when you spend $25, you will receive a $5 registry reward. I did spend $25 and I did receive back my $5 registry reward right here. So $18 minus that $5 registry reward that I received, that brought my total down to just $13. And then if you check your IBOTTA apps, so IBOTTA does have 2 rebates that is attaching to these, but not these ones specifically. It has to be the 18 count. Like I said, my store didn't have it. If your store has the 18 count, grab the 18 count because it will attach for a $1 rebate and they will attach to a $2 rebate. So you will get back $1 for each bag and then you will also get back $2 for each bag. But because my store was in stock with the 18 count, mine only attached to 1 rebate. So I got back $1 for each one. So $13 minus the $3 that I got back from IBOTTA. And on my Fetch Rewards account, I had a Fetch Rewards rebate to where I could receive 1,000 points back, which is $1 when I buy 1. So I received a total of $4 back between IBOTTA and Fetch Rewards. So $13 minus the $4 that I received, that brought the total down to just $9 for each pack, or it makes each pack just $3. And that is what you would pay if you would do this deal individually. So that is everything that I got in that transaction, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you all my receipts. So both of my Colgate mouthwash rung up at $4, so $8. Both of my Colgate toothpaste rung up at $4, so $8. Both of my Colgate toothbrushes rung up at $4, so $8. All 3 of my Huggies rung up at $9 each. Both of the Crest rung up at $3, so $6 total. My Huggies $6 digital came off, the $4 digital for the mouthwash, $4 digital for the toothpaste, and $4 digital for the toothbrushes. And then my $3 digital for the Crest. So as you can see, the only digital coupon that didn't come off for me was my Huggies coupon, the $3 off of 1. So it brought my subtotal to $36. So as I stated earlier, I used a $5 gets $5 when you spend 20 digital booster, and then I had a get $7 when you spend $35 booster. So in coupons, just right here, that's a total of $21. So since I was already at that $20 threshold to get the $5 back, I did get the $5 back. And then I did use $20 in Walgreens cash, so I had to pay the $16 out of pocket. So the 21 plus the 16, that's a total of what, $37. So I should have been able to get back the $7 when you spend 25 as well. So with the 16 that I had to pay out of pocket, of course I did use my PayPal debit card. That way I didn't have to use my own personal money. So when you look down here where it says earned this visit, I did earn back $21.37 plus my $5 for the pull-ups, plus the $3 from IBOTTA, plus the $1 from Fetch Rewards. And then I contacted customer service and I let them know that my $3 digital coupon did not come off for the Huggies pull-ups. And then I also let them know that I used a paper booster, get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. The cashier, she did scan it. I saw her scan it. But when I looked at my receipt, I noticed that I did not get the 7,000 points for it. So I mentioned that to them, and shockingly, they went ahead and credited my account with $10 in Walgreens cash. Now, that will not happen all the time depending on who you speak to, because with the representative that I chatted with, they just quickly gave me the $10. But you may come across a customer service representative who will not give you the points for the paper booster simply because I used points. So I actually got a good representative, and that person still credited me the $10 in Walgreens cash. So just to put that out there. So again, my subtotal came out to be $36. In rewards, I got back a total of $40.37. $21.37 in Walgreens cash, $5 for the pull-ups, $10 from customer service, $3 from IBOTTA, and $1 from Fetch Rewards. So that's a total of $40.37. So with me getting those back in rewards, that made this transaction completely free, plus a $4.37 moneymaker. So this was a really, really great transaction, you guys. I am super happy with this transaction. And as you guys remember, in the first transaction, these ended up being completely free, only had to pay taxes out of pocket. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. If you all enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys are getting this week at Walgreens, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.